Hi, in this demo I'm going to show you if you're a manufacturer or a supplier, how you can list your products on the 2050 Materials platform. So the first step is you log in. Once you're logged in, you can go on the header and click on List Products. On List Products, you can see a few frequently asked questions about who sees the data, what kind of information you can list, and then you can get started. Now, listing a product has a few fields which are required. So it's necessary to list the product photo, the name, the company, of course, and then a few things around the material type and the application of the product. And then you have quite a lot of optional fields that you can fill in. So for this example, I'm assuming I'm a cork brick manufacturer. So I'm going to list some cork bricks for furniture. I select my own company. I select the material, which is cork. And then I say product type, I'm going to say FF&E, so fittings, furnishing, and equipment in this case. Now, building application follows the NRM system. And again, I'm going to choose fittings, furnishing. And then the building types that my product is available for is commercial and residential. Now, I'm going to say the manufacturing location is in Porto. And then I get to the certifications aspect. So here you can list all kinds of certifications as well as data sheets. So if you have specific data sheets on the product, feel free to list those. And then definitely if you have any sustainability related certifications, such as an EPD, a cradle to cradle certificate, it's very, very useful for the users of the platform to see those kind of reports. I'm going to list an EPD as an example. So I have an EPD file here. And then I can go into the technical data. Here I can list the price. I can give a range or an indication of the price. So I'm going to say 100 to 120 euros per meters cubed. The fire performance is C1. There's more information I can provide here. I'm also going to say my warranty is 3 years. And then I can go into the environmental data. Keep in mind that when you're listing environmental data, say from an EPD, you have to upload the relevant document under the certifications. So I'm currently fine because I've uploaded my EPD. So I will state where the data comes from. I will select my declared unit. I'm going to pick 1 meter cubed. And then I'm going to enter the density of my product and then go into the life cycle assessment data. So I'm going to say I have 45 kilograms of CO2 per meter cubed, about 0 for installation, 0 for the use, and then 10 kilograms for the end of life. I can also list the amount of fresh water used in the manufacturing process, the recycled content in percentage, the recyclable content, and the potential to reuse the product. Now, beyond all of this information, I can also go into answering what we call the transparency questionnaire. This is, of course, optional, but it gives access to your potential customers on more information that is both more qualitative, but also shines more light on how you run the processes of your business. So I can provide more information about the disposal and the end of life. I can say we recollect the product. Does it contain any red list materials? No, etc. Now, once I'm done, I click on preview and I go to the preview page where I'll see the image I've uploaded, my manufacturer details, the material facts, which essentially contains a lot of the environmental data that I've listed, some basic characteristics on the product, the certifications. All of these are clickable to get the PDF, and the transparency questions, so I can see that the questions I've answered appear here. Once I'm happy with the product, I can publish it, and then the 2050 Materials team will go into verifying the product so that it starts showing up for users. Meanwhile, what I can do is I can go back to my product search and search for my own company. Now I will see the products I've listed in my company, and I can also check how they will appear for the users of the platform. If it's of interest, I can use the comparison functionality to compare either my own products or also products of other manufacturers.